welcome to another video, Top Secret Garage. Let me clean the camera. There we go. Today is the part 2. We're gonna finish this thing. I took forever because the flywheel we gotta use was a W55 flywheel and I was using a W58, so I never got it. So to bleed the line, today we have Mr. Savi here with me, helping me out. He was the one that almost barely, really closely beat me, but fell short at the end, but barely. So we're gonna put this in. We just put it in. We got the bolts, and then we're gonna put some Loctite, and then like Brett always says, wear your eye protection. So we're gonna put the bolts right now, and we're gonna do. It's gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna take that long in making this video. Flywheel is in. Now we're about to drop the transmission in. So we're gonna go get it. I think it's super extremely very supermanly heavy. So we're gonna go get it. I'm not looking forward to it. So this is our little invention on how to do it. We put in 2 pieces of block on 2 blocks, and then we're gonna jack it up and then align it over there. We did have the shifter shortened by Brett. Collins adapters, you send him yours, and then they are shortening this part too, and it works as of right now. It works great. And so yeah, and I had to do that so I can use the factory hole, because if not, it would have put it back here. But other than that, we're gonna land it now. Because it was a lot of work, but this guy's gotta say some words to me.
Good job.
No, that's what he was not saying. He was saying, when you're ready, what?
When you're ready, we go again.
Okay. He said when we're ready, we'll go again. Car is almost done. We still gotta finish the front. Mira, gracias, Itin. Look at this guy in the IS300. El Toyota, pero el corazón de él es Hondero. Botando la primera. Alright, I skipped a lot, man, because once Savi left, I couldn't record and do things, but it's running now. Got the transmission back there, and right now the exhaust is cut. Put this in here because I was test driving it, but the exhaust is cut and you can't even see, but all the fumes coming through there. But I mean, the clutch feels real good. And then that's fourth. I mean, that is third, fourth, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and then you push it down, and that's reverse. And it runs real good. It runs better than the W58. I'm just gonna put that like that so I don't get the smoke coming in there, but it runs better than W58. So right now we're just letting it, do a little bit of a braking. This car's been sitting for a while. Just when I'm doing that, and the turbo is a different turbo. It's a 62 dual ball bearing turbo. So right now we're letting it, I'm just basically monitoring it. I'm giving a little bit of an angle also, the engine, tilt it a little bit back. And because the angle was about 0 or more like a +1. So I brought it -2, leaning towards the back. That keeps the oil in the rear sump. And I mean, it's good, it's no vibration. And it feels real good. So I gotta get all these, cleaned up. So I have a whole mess from just sitting and working on it. I gotta get it washed, because look at all that. And then I gotta get it back to the track and go kill some IS300s. Whee! Sorry, Howie. But I mean, if it wasn't for the flywheel that I was installing the wrong one, the car would have been running already, a long time ago. But things happens, I didn't know. So stay tuned. In a few weeks, probably next week, we're gonna go to the track. We're gonna hit the track. I've still gotta work the suspension and do some how to say, with some alignment in the front so we can go race. But other than that, we're gonna go race and we're gonna hit it hard. Now we have transmission to hit the car hard. All right, so everybody, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you have not done so. If you got any question, leave it in the comments or shoot me a message on Facebook. All right, we're gonna work on this car now. What's your name, man? Justin. Justin said he rode in my car and they remind him of a car he rode in how long ago?
A couple
months ago. He got in what car?
A GTR.
A GTR. And then as soon as we went testing the car, his first reaction was what? What do you say? You said something.
Takes off like a GTR.
He says takes off like a GTR. That's saying a lot, in my opinion. A GTR is big boys territory, and I said I don't want to race GTRs. I want to destroy GTRs. But he said that definitely can happen. So right now we're gonna work on this car. We're gonna work on the suspension and whatnot. And if you didn't know, that's my daily. It's a beautiful '94 Lumina, Chevrolet Euro Lumina. Had it since I was 16. Has over 400,000 miles and it's still going strong. All right, man. Everybody, take care. All right, we're gonna go for a drive now. I skipped a lot, sorry, but once Sabi left, I was on my own. If it's loud, sorry also, because I don't have the exhaust done. I had to cut it because the turbo was a little higher. So now I'm gonna put a flange in there with bolts. So we're gonna go test it out now. So we'll see. The clutch feels good. Okay. Let's reverse. I still haven't put the protector here, so all the smoke is coming inside the car. Let me put this at least, you know. The first drive on the transmission. CD009 Nissan 350Z Trans. We're on the second gear. Loud, man. It's loud. He just told me we're going to the track. I'm not gonna go in the car, that's for sure. I gotta do the exhaust, and I'm not gonna go drive a whole hour on an up and down pipe. Hell no. So far so good. And it's holding.